Hey, here we are. Something I picked up the other day. Never actually had one. It's a Parkside cordless impact wrench, 20 volt. Came from the middle aisle of LIDL. Just happened to see it. Thought, well, price wasn't too bad. Picked it up. We'll have a look at it, see what it's like. According to the blurb, it's 20 volt Lion, 4 amp hour, no load rotation speed up to 2300, impact rate 3000 beats per minute, torque 400 newton meters, 5 levels, and it's half inch drive. What we got? I suppose that's charge time, 60 minutes. I'll open it up, have a look. Something I have been meaning to get for a while. Ideal for loosening your rusty nuts. Bit 1970s comedy there for you. Right. Yeah, like I say, I've not had one of these before, so I've not really got anything to compare it to. There's the charger. UK plug. Is wall mountable, by the looks of it. What we got else? There's a few impact driver bits, or sockets rather. Yeah, not sure whether I would use those. I do have some proper ones. I don't know what these would be like. I suppose they are long reach, could be useful. What we got? 23, 21, 19, and 17. Sorry, got that in shot. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, seems pretty decent. Let's put that out of the way. Feels fairly solid. Probably if you read the instructions, that probably says to charge your battery up first. Got a little light on there. Seems to be on all the while. Oh no, off it goes. Guess that's a clip you can hang it up with on the side there. Yeah, feels fairly solid. Get the battery off. How does that? Oh, that slides off like that. Probably says in the instructions you should charge this up before use. I'll have a quick look and yeah, so on the side of the battery there is a level. Press that button and you've got 3 LEDs there. Obviously that needs a little bit of a charge, so before I use it we'll do that, charge that up. But yeah, first impressions, does feel fairly weighty, solid. So yeah, when anyone actually come to use it, I'll find out what it's like. But first impressions seem to be pretty good. Right, got the charger plugged in. Green light, I suppose that's just telling you it's powered up, and I think that just slots in like that. Oh, there we go, charging up. Sounds like there's a fan in there keeping that cool, so yeah, does seem to be some sort of fan in the charger. Interesting. Right, I'll leave that to charge and come back to it. Actually, just now found a bit in the instructions which says charge the battery when only the red LED on the battery charge level indicator is illuminated. And the battery charge level indicator 8B. So is that, or does it mean on the battery itself? You normally do charge things up from new 8B. 8B is it on the other book? Yeah, 8B is a level indicator, so actually I don't need to charge that just yet, or shouldn't be charging it just yet. So I'll unplug that and switch that off for now until I can flatten the battery. Right, so there is a Newton meter setting here for the torque. Simply press this button, it'll illuminate. That's 100 there at the minute. 400, 300, 200, 150 and 100. Yeah, so that's quite easy to just click round. Leave it on 200 for now. Not quite sure why this light comes on. I have to have a look at the instructions. Sort of comes on and goes off, and this is just when you're using it or something, it just comes on and off. Yeah, and here's the direction button. Yeah, looks like this just illuminates, and the Newton meter reading illuminates when you're using it. Shouldn't really need an impact driver to undo these, but they are really tight, and tried a couple of spanners on there, just getting nowhere, so I'm going to try this, see what we get. Well, no problem with that. Paid for itself already. That was well stuck on there. Just got to try the rear one now, which is a little bit tricky because the carburetor is in the way.